What do you do when you go into the office and you find your boss rocking the Tudor Ceramic Pelagos Titanium? You take it right off his wrist. Wish me luck. I got it. Off the wrist and out the door. What a great day. I have Tudor Black Bay GMT, 200 meters water resistance, great travel watch. But let's take a look at the dive watch options for Tudor, the Pelagos. Is it all that it's cracked up to be? Is the hype real? Well, we're gonna take a deep look at it and figure it all out. Tudor Pelagos. I'm in love. This thing is sick. I've been lucky enough to grab this right off the boss's wrist for a quick hands-on. It was like making a seizure, right off the wrist. Who needs reasonable grounds? The hype is real, no joke. Reasonable grounds? What? To make a video? For my friends in the US, that's otherwise known as probable cause. This is reference M25600TN-0001. Now the blue gets everyone's skirt blown up, but this one here, she's a sleeper. She gets all the love. But the black with the ceramic and titanium, this reference is a beast. 42mm case design with a satin finish and ceramic unidirectional bezel and a screw down signed Tudor Shield guarded crown, screw down case back, and a helium escape valve built in at the 9 o'clock position. Now a 22mm lug, 49.8mm lug to lug, and a 14mm thickness is great for this diver. A total weight, full package, bracelet and all, 145 grams. And I mean, you can feel it with this titanium bracelet. A gorgeous 3-link bracelet system with a Tudor designed special deployant style clasp with micro adjustments. It's sick. The look is modern and classic, and on the wrist feels great. Tudor is one of the best affordable mid-tier luxury watches in the business. The dial is simple and gorgeous with this matte black with iconic Tudor shaped markers, and white accents offer superior visibility, not to mention some of the best lume on the planet. All the protections under this sapphire crystal with great clarity. Tudor snowflake hour hand, stick minute hand, large seconds hand, all lume filled with this beautiful bezel as well, bringing in a 500-meter water resistance. Oh my god, true to the diver it is. When was the last time you went 500 meters underwater? Yeah, for most people, it's not happening. But if you do, you're ready. And Tudor's gonna be right there with you. Now on this dial, we've got Tudor signed at the 12. Now I have to admit, we've got War and Peace here at the script at the mid to lower 6. Do we need all of this text? Really? You gotta let me know. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Do we need all that text? 5 lines. I don't know. Doesn't take away from it being too gorgeous, but I'm just saying, a little less information maybe? Could be seen as a little much for some, but let me know what you think. I think it still works. It's still gorgeous. A date window for the watch complication at the 3 o'clock position. Now that's normal. Black on white display, no Cyclops required here, and you still have pretty good visibility. The movement is the automatic in-house Tudor movement MT5600. COSC certified self-winding mechanical movement with a bidirectional rotating bezel here to support that underwater monitoring activity. When she's on the wrist, she's not running dead. And when it's off the wrist, you have a 70-hour power reserve. Wow, almost 3 days in the box, and she's still going to be keeping accurate time. Now the bracelet is classy and functional. It has a great look to it and easy handling. Obviously with the titanium, we have a little less heft on the wrist, but you're not sacrificing that toughness and durability. She's a banger. The watch is a diver for real, but really has the versatility to go with whatever life throws at you. Despite being a mid-level luxury tier watch, she's coming in at $62.50 price tag. You wear what you want, but this beast will just elevate your look, no doubt. It's what Tudor does. Born to dare. Elevate your game. A suit? Check. Swim attire? Check. Dive gear? Check. Jeans and a t-shirt? Check. Casual dress? Check. You name it, Pelagos works for you. This is why I took it right off the boss's wrist. Well, I actually didn't physically take it right off the wrist, but in any event, Gary, thank you very much for another loaner. Shame I gotta give this one back to TUDOR Pelagos. 42 millimeters of pure class. Stainless steel, titanium, ceramic, oh my god, all the sapphire, the materials go on and on and on. And a manufactured Tudor in-house movement. I mean, you don't need much of a wrap-up. I think I've given it all to you, straight goods. It is gorgeous. And you look at the wrist shots here, oh boy. It's gonna elevate anyone's game, period. I'm Ross, thanks for coming to the channel. I appreciate all the support. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, smash the bell. Notifications on, you're gonna get notified when the next video drops. And you don't wanna miss the next video. I'm also on Instagram, right there. Comment, question, concern, no problem. I think that's my time for today. I got some work to do. Everyone be safe, be well, take care of you and yours. See you on the next one.